the sun sets over the river, golden light stirs my heart. The evening breeze brushes my skin, bringing my feelings back to yesterday. The water flows slowly beneath the old trees, like a love that will never return. My heart softly calls your name in the quiet of time. Every night I dream of the love that has passed. Only longing remains in my heart. If you see the sunset like I do, please remember I am still waiting. The sky glows gold and soft red, like my heart that loves you, no matter how far time flows away. This love will never fade. The sun has set, but my heart still holds on to our memories. Beneath the sunset by the river, I keep my love and longing with you forever.